Guys, my name is Shreyas Kashte and I am here to give a speech on mobile games and technology. So, how many of you have played games?
Yes, everyone.
Everyone here play games. Which games do you play?
Free Fire. PUBG. BGMI.
I see. So, you see, games are very popular among kids. These games are very common now. Students always play games when they free, but they don't understand what the causes of this. Do you know what are the very bad effects of playing games? Anybody?
Eye effect. Specs. Specs. Children. Headache. Children having specs in the early ages.
Yes, they never had. But in recent 20th century, so many kids have specs because of playing games.
The second one is that one psychological effect also. They are not focusing on study.
Yes.
And they are imagining the games when they are sitting everywhere.
Yes, we have seen in the reel or in the news that children was moving his finger in the air, just like he is playing the game, but the mobile is not in his hand. That's why it's because they are very addicted to these games. They always play that they have. What will say to this game that they are completely in their world. They do not know what is happening outside. The mobile games also affect our nervous system because it has a very harmful radiation. Scientists also do experiments on mobile where they place wool surrounded. The wool is surrounded by a mobile is placed between them, and the mobile is placed between them. And when we call on the mobile, the wool start burning because of radiation. The radiance are this harmful, which affects our genes and brings mutation. We do not see mutation suddenly. It happens further evolutions. We will see the effect of mobiles radiation in future. Will children have mutation in their hands or anything else? And
I heard that the mobile, if you play mobile games, your cells which decide what is right and wrong in your brain, that cell also destroys after some time.
um, I don't get it. Please, can you explain?
If you play the mobile games every day for a lot of for a longer time, the cells in your brain which decides what is right and what is wrong, means which decides the vivek, that cells destroys, and you don't come to know what is exactly, and you are into totally virtual life.
Yeah, sometimes it happen, but it not happens in all cases. Some people think that the playing games will think them out of the box, and fast thinking also increases in false thinking also decreases. But some in cases, people think that our brain is taken over by games. We everywhere see only games. So it depends upon us how much we are playing on it. So let's talk about the technology now. How you communicate with your relatives, friends right now in this era?
Phone. Forward language. We just forward it every day.
Yeah, that's right. We use mobile, laptop like instrument. What are these? These are technologies. We humans create the technologies to make our life easier. But these technologies are also used for bad things, like playing games, and these technologies also affects our health. So we should use them carefully. The technologies is not a concept of this era. This is from ancient times. Human is kept developing in each era, like from Stone Age to Silver Age, then Gold Age. He make tools with different metals that makes his life easier. They have to hunt for their food, so they also create technologies that will hunt the animals. Village people develop trains for traveling, a simple typewriter for writing the script. Our technologies are made, and in this era we see that we have uh, VR glasses, mobiles, laptop, tabs, computers. Yes, right, computers. So even in the future, the technology is going to develop even more. So what do you think? What will happen in the future in the technology?
There will be AI assistant.
Yes, the AI is very popular among us right now. We are using many AI tools for our information, photo creating, script writing. Our things are done by AI. AI is taking over jobs. Human doesn't have job because of AI. So we have to understand what AI is. We have to know how to create AI to keep our job. And are also there. They are also part of AI because they have specific work that are written in their mind. They only do that type of work. So it is limited. So what is difference between a robot and the human? Can a human teacher teach better than a robot teacher?
Yes, at this stage, humans are better than robots in teaching. But it might happen that in future robots will teach better without any hesitation, without any tiredness or without any laziness. They will have every answers which teachers don't have. Basically, what happens in robot, every data, everything is stored.
Hmm.
So robots will have every answers.
Yes.
But humans will not have answers. Yes, the work company is working on this, that is Neuralink, which is going to set up
Neuralink. A chip on our head that will make us like an AI. It likes a invisible screen that will appear on us like a app. Everything, every app, everything we can see. We search it we see in the movie that high tech technology. People just looking at it, get all the informations. It is just like that. Also we see that in movies there are TVs that are invisible. They are just only a screen appearing. This is also created by humans in recent time. So but the problem is that the AI is that scientists are afraid of their consciousness. Consciousness means they will think of their own. They will become independent. Will you work under a person who is not better than you? No. This is same happen to AI when they will become conscious. They will think that why we are working under humans, and that's why scientists are forbidden to create AI in many countries. So we cannot create AIs. We can only create AI tools, just like which has limited program in them, just like only writing, only photo making, just like this. So in the future AI will be dangerous. So human find another way that they will make themselves an AI, just like a robot. Just like a robot, they are making us robot. That means our half body will be an human like, and half body will be robot like. These are usually called as cyborg. You have seen in the movie that a person is like half human, half human, and half robot, and using many weapons like laser beams, and using his mind to think. So this is they are experimenting on people also. The Neuralink is the same as they are doing. They will further increase in the future, further develop in the future. Any questions? Yes.
Is it possible to make Iron Man suit in future?
Yes, it will be possible. You will fly or of your own without an iron suit. People are also experimenting right now to how to make and flying car, transformer car. We see small transformer cars right now. Then we will see bigger ones later. What was your question?
If robot will come, uh, if robot will come in future, so human will work or not?
You robot. Uh, the robots have limited progress, but they can work faster than humans. So human will not work in the future maybe, or humans will control the will have the job to control or take over look how they are working, just like a
So the
supervisor.
robots will work for the humans.
If they are not conscious, they will work for humans.
No, I'm saying that in future robots will work for humans. Humans will settle down.
Yes.
Just like see, humans were in the jungle. They were Homo sapiens and wandering here and there. Then they got the invention of
Stone tools,
stone tools.
because they have to
Stone
hunt.
tools, agriculture.
Agriculture, I
Before
see.
11,000 years back, there was invention of agriculture. So human got some rest by doing agriculture. Now the robots are coming, so they have more rest, more comfort.
Uh,
There was no jobs na at that time.
Yes.
When humans were wandering here and there in the jungle.
no, they may be further travel to another planets to search for life.
There might be new things will arrive in the future, aliens and all.
It is scientists also predict that they will conquer the sun and create a Dalton sphere, which is an imaginary orb surrounded to sun. Many solar panels are surrounded with sun, and the energy is absorbed by the solar panels and is transformed to the earth. So this will help us to travel further planets to create more powerful engines. Any other questions?
Questions? Okay, no.
So we should think about how we use AI technology, because it depend upon us how we are using it. If we are using it for good purpose or bad purpose, it will depend upon always on us. Thank you.
Okay. Have a round of applause for Shreyas. It's okay. Keep it. Shreyas basically was in 10th standard. After completing 10th, he joined this academy, Curious Academy, and he's very good at study. And after coming here, he came to know some grammar related terms and all these things, how to speak and write. He's for 4 months here, and almost you completed 2 months, I think. Okay, after 2 months, he got such kind of fluency, and he's able to speak in front of all of you and can ask questions and have some topics in front of you. So, if you want to join or anyone want to join our course, they can contact us. The details are given below in this video. So, thank you very much. Thank you, Shreyas, for joining with us.
You are welcome.